Um, hi, my name's Simon. This is a replacement smoke detector for my grandparents' smoke detector. It's not actually replacement. I broke their old one, so I bought them this new photoelectric smoke detector. It's high pitch. Hear that? It's loud. Louder than this other one I found. This other one has kind of a lower pitch tone. A low pitch tone. Which I think is really weird because they're the same units. But I know. And it's a little slower too. But it's still in code 3, so what's the difference? So if you heard that, these two detectors, they look pretty much like twins. Well, aren't they twins? Yes, they are. They're the same units. This was my smoke detector that went up there. Now this one turned out to be faulty. We tested it, it didn't work. We put a battery in it, it still didn't work, so this one's faulty. What it chirped. Did you hear a chirp in this video? Maybe that was just the door. And so it has child prevention locks. It's photoelectric. You can see it says photoelectric 2010 November 10th. This has 9 good years left. So I'm putting the cover back on this. There we go. Warning, alarm on operate without power. Turn off power before removing alarm. Additional markings on back. What the? Is this hardwired or something? I don't really know what this is. This seems hardwired, but it's not. It's not hardwired. Completing to the bracket, it seems like it's hardwired, but it's not hardwired. It's battery operated. If it was hardwired, they would have a hole right here and wires going through it. But there is no wires going through it. So I don't know why they ask turn off the power before commencing with this alarm. This is not hardwired. Just so you know, this is not hardwired. There's another unit like this that's hardwired, but this one is not particularly hardwired. If it was hardwired, it would stated on the box it was hardwired, but this one stated it was battery operated. So I don't know what's wrong with the bracket, but it just didn't participate with the unit. There's the flashing light. Why did it just go off? Oh, there. And so there's where another light's supposed to be, but it's patched up for some reason. Why is that going off again? Well, this one isn't faulty, but it just went off. And so, thanks for watching. Here's the loud 85 decibel alarm. Do not paint. First alert smoke alarm for the electric. Thank you for watching.